I have an imaginary friend, director Devraj. He's running a small manufacturing company outside Chennai. And when I met him last week, he asked, Anand, I have started a lot of strategic initiatives like ERP implementation or lean manufacturing. And whenever I start something, after 2 3 months, no, the activities are not getting sustained. And when he asked manager Magesh what happened to all these activities, the answer was not very convincing, and the activities are not moving. So he asked me, Anand, what can I do? Then I told him, are you doing a regular review of these activities? Then he said, no, I'm not doing it because I gave all the responsibility to Mr. Magesh, and he should be the person who should run this particular initiative. But he is not doing it. What should I do? Then I told him the reviews are very important, and there are 5 important reasons why regular reviews by top management is very, very essential. And today in this video, we are going to learn about these 5 tips. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner. And in this video, we are going to learn 5 tips or 5 reasons why consistent reviews by top management is very essential for sustaining any strategic initiative. Like I said earlier, Devraj is asking Mr. Magesh what happened to this initiative. Then Mr. Magesh gave some different answers, and Mr. Devraj is not convinced. Because Mr. Magesh is not sustaining the activities or not following up the activities, the next level person, Supervisor Sendil, is also not working on it. And because the supervisor, manager, and the top management, nobody is focusing on those activities, operator Armum is also not focused on this activity. So the activity is not getting sustained and there is no result. After 3 months, everybody suddenly wakes up because there is a customer visit, and on that day nothing is moving. So everybody is in a panic mode. So let us look at why a review is very, very important. What is a review? A review should have 3 major things, I would say. Review should be done consistently. When I say consistently, it should be weekly or fortnightly or monthly or quarterly, annually, etc. This review should be planned properly and it should be communicated well in advance to all the people who are going to attend this meeting. Right? So the first one is consistent. It's not like I start a review, maybe first 2 3 weeks I will conduct, and after that there is a sudden customer visit, so I don't do it on that day. And then there is another ISO audit on that another week, so I don't do it. So if if there is no consistency, reviews will not work properly. The first thing which is very important for a review is consistency. The second one is the top management should be involved in this review. They should be present and they should share their views, or they should give a guidance or support to the next level people who are presenting the reviews. If the top management is not present for the meeting, the next level people will not take it more seriously, and after some time nobody takes this activity seriously, right? So this is very important. That is the top management presence. And the third point is the data or the views which are expressed in this particular review should be done in a more visual manner, not on a text based presentation. It can be shown as a graph or a visual indicator so that everybody understands it easily, right? So 3 things we discussed. The first one is consistency, second one is top level commitment, and the third one is presenting the data in a visual manner. Now let us look at 5 reasons why this review has to happen, right? The first one is the top management, if they are present in the review meeting, the next level people will take it more seriously and they will start working on those activities on a regular basis, so that the sustenance will happen, right? If director Devraj is not present, manager Magesh will not take it very seriously, and if manager Magesh is not taking this activity seriously, supervisor Sendil will not even talk about it, and if nobody talks about it, then operator Armum is not going to focus on that. So any strategic initiative, for that to happen at the root level, the top management should focus on that. The first point. The second point is regular reviews build a consistency. The key word here is consistency. Consistency means I am doing it at a specific period of time, specific frequency. For example, it can be a weekly activity, it can be a fortnightly, it can be monthly, etc. But we should not miss that particular date. In case there is a holiday, maybe you can advance it one day, or you can push it to the next day. If there is a customer visit, you should not cancel it. If there is an audit by somebody, you should not cancel it. So come what may, the review should happen. Only then people take it more seriously. And if the reviews are happening on a serious basis, no consistent basis, it becomes a habit. Habit means people automatically starts doing that activity on a regular basis. And the third point is, once it becomes a habit, once the reviews are happening consistently, the people will take more ownership for the activities, right? The only way to increase the ownership among the team is by doing a consistent review or consistent follow up by the top management, right? And the fourth point is, these reviews can be a good starting point to build a positive culture in your company, right? And when I say reviews, it's not that you call all the people and just shout at them. That is not a review. This review is a way to start a positive culture, right? So there is there should be a space given for people where they can share their thoughts, opinions. If they want any support, right? No, they should be able to share it. So treat our treat treat these reviews as a place to start your positive culture. The fifth point is, you can also build some performance measurement system for the core team who are participating in the strategic initiatives. And based on this performance appraisal system, you can also give a reward and recognition. Generally, in many companies, the performance appraisal systems or performance appraisal reviews will happen once in 6 months or once in a year. Most of the time it's just they will write about their strength, weakness. Once a year they just do it as a form filling exercise. We don't recommend it like that. We can do it in a monthly basis, like a progress card, like a small a basic system where you will be able to measure the key performance indicator for that particular function. Plus you can also build some weightages for 5S participation, involvement in cost reduction activities, improvement projects, etc., and make it a score and do it consistently, right, during these reviews. And this can be a good starting point for your performance appraisal system also. So these are all the 5 reasons why reviews are very, very important. If you have watched this video so far, thank you for watching. You can also consider joining our courses, which are specifically tailored for manufacturing industry professionals, people who are very serious about career advancement, fast tracking their career. Please consider this, because it covers all the things which are required for a manufacturing shop floor engineer, right? And more importantly, you will be knowing a lot more than your boss, so that your career will be much more faster, right? And people who have taken these courses, they gave excellent feedback, and many of them have been able to move to a different company at a different level of packages. So I have given the links of these particular courses in the description. You can consider joining those courses, and it just takes 30 minutes per day for 30 days, and you will be able to complete those courses, and the prices are just 999 per course. So the links are in the description. You can consider joining those courses. Thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye.